Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and today is Tips and Tricks Secret Session. You won't know what the tip or trick is unless you stay tuned. So a lot of people have said that their Dollar Tree, or they don't have a Dollar Tree, anyway, they don't carry this. And it's just a small little skein, and they liked the idea of, a small little skein for starting out. I've got you covered. If you can't find that, did you know Michael's in the front of their store, or wherever they have their little dollar section, has these tiny little Craft Smart yarns. And these are about 71 yards. They have different colors. I mostly get the skin tones there because I really like that this is the right amount and stuff. And these are two of my favorites. And if you live in a different country and you don't have a Michael's or something, Hobie also has Amigo XL. And they come in these cute little skeins. This one is about 109 yards. That is actually the exact same yardage as this one from the Dollar Tree. Pretty sure. Yep, 109 yards right there. So these two are, this is used, so it's not 109 right now, but it was. So, whether you live in the States or a different country, there's a way for you to get small, cute, 100% acrylic, worsted weight yarns to practice crochet with. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked that tip, let me know down below. Had you ever heard of it before? Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video or tip. Maybe consider subscribing and be part of the Yarn Zebra family. We have fun over here. Have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps. And Spoonies, you can stitch it up too. Goodbye.